Hello everybody, it's Donna from Enchanted Gardens. Now I am just showing you my traditional polygonatum, which is Solomon's seal. And what I want you to look at is, can you see the little sawfly caterpillar grubs? And you're thinking, oh my god, it's stripped the leaves. Look at them all, lots of them. And it looks like hell. Wow. Now, what I would say to you is, I am not really concerned, and I'm going to leave them there because I've got all sorts of things nesting in Mandy's woodland garden. I've got wrens, I've got robins, everything that's nesting is now nesting. What do they feed their babies? Grubs, caterpillars, larvae. So I haven't got a problem with them. I'm not going to spray them. I'm not going to squish them like I do the lily beetles. I'm just going to let them be, because they are food, really nutritious food source for all the baby birds I've got here. So that's just gardening smart, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Bye bye.